Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Regarding the concept of prophethood, the misconception I will try to remove today relates to the notion that it is said that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was born circumcised. He did not need any circumcision, he was born circumcised, and this narrative is generally used to prove the superiority of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, that he was circumcised from God. So therefore, this is something which proves that he was a superior person, he was something who was very, very close to God. First of all, it needs to be understood that the narratives which report this incident have not been reported through sound means. We know these authorities have criticized these narratives on the basis of their chains of narration. We know, for example, that Imam Ibn Qayyim in Zadul Ma'ad has severely criticized this narrative, and he said that this is not at all acceptable. Similarly, Imam Zahabi has also criticized this narrative and has described the fact that it has not been reported through sound means, so therefore it cannot be accepted the way it has been reported. Ibn Qayyim, moreover, in his own book Zadul Ma'ad, has also recorded a narrative according to which on the 7th day of the birth of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, his grandfather, Hazrat Abdul Muttalib, he actually threw a party, and on this occasion he was circumcised. So, and he has also said later on that this whole incident is something which can be relied upon, and it is reported through more reliable means than the other version of the whole story. So therefore, it needs to be understood that Muslims must not rely on these weak incidents and these weak stories which have little or no basis and try to prove the superiority of their Prophet through them. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ does not need to be described or to be proven his superiority in such a manner. He was a historical prophet, he was a great prophet. All of us know that he has a special importance in the annals of history, and so therefore Muslims would do well if they do not ascribe false stories to prove his superiority. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين والمسلمات.